Do you know that the first drone flight was over a century ago? That's right. In 1917, a British engineer created a radio-controlled aircraft called Britain's aerial target. Fast forward to today, drones are everywhere. From capturing stunning aerial shots to delivering packages, they have become a part of our daily lives. But have you ever wondered how these flying machines work? What makes them soar through sky with such ease? In this video, we are diving deep into the science behind aerial drones. We'll explore how they fly. So buckle up as we take off into the world of drones.
Welcome to Aeroter Academy. This is your go-to place for learning everything about aerial and underwater drones.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a drone? A drone or unmanned aerial vehicle is an aircraft without a human pilot. They can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously using software. Now let's break down how drones achieve flight. The key to a drone's ability to fly lies in four main forces that are lift, weight, thrust, drag. Let's break down these forces. Lift is the force that pushes the aircraft upward, generated by drone's propellers or a wing. When the propeller spins, they create a difference in air pressure above and below them. This difference in pressure lifts the drone into the air. We'll dive into detail in future content. So for now, let's keep it simple. Now we have weight. Weight is the force that pulls the drone down due to gravity. The drone needs to generate enough lift to overcome its weight. If the lift is greater than weight, the drone ascends. If the lift is less than weight, the drone descends. Now let's talk about thrust. Thrust is the forward force that propels the drone. It is also produced using propellers. Finally, we have a drag. Drag is the resistance the drone faces as it moves through the air. It is like a wind pushing against you when you run. Drones need to balance these four forces to fly smoothly. So how do drones control their movement? This is where the flight controller comes into picture. The flight controller is nothing but the brain of the drone. It processes data from various sensors like gyroscopes, accelerometers, barometers, and these sensors help the drone understand its position, orientation in the air. When you move the joystick of your remote, the flight controller adjusts the speed of the propeller, which allows drone to tilt, turn, and change its altitude. So there you have it. The science behind how drone fly is fascinating and complex. From the forces of lift and weight to the technology that powers them, drones are truly amazing machines. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content about drone technology and science. And we want to hear from you. What do you find most interesting about drones? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.